Hello, good evening, and happy Friday. Here we got RepoCloud.io, a platform for you guys to use. First, sign in, and then you can access, you can get access to the free $3. Go to WordPress. Now we are going to WordPress, and then we deploy. Okay, you deploy this one. Okay, and then it will come up deploy now, and then waiting for that. Enter your title, and then voila, you just click this link. It will bring you into current page. So right now, what we are doing is WordPress. The first is plugins. Plugins, and you have to install a plugin, Elementor. Just type Elementor, a plugin, and then you type Elementor. This is the easiest way. Elementor. It will show you. Okay, and then you just install every Elementor add-on, royal add-ons, and so on. Okay, that's enough. Go to the template. Here you can choose whatever kind of template you want, from e-commerce to portfolio, or even for blog template. Okay, we create our website here. If you can see, like visit site, and then it will come with the website itself. Up here, edit with Elementor, edit page, new, customize, Gen AI. Everything has its function. The most functional is this one. Edit with Elementor. You have options. You want to edit footer, header, of canvas, sidebar. This is footer. This is header. This is your page. This is your off canvas. Okay, and then for example, if you want to edit, you just edit home with Elementor. Edit home page with Elementor. Okay, it will bring you into this one. So this is a home page. You can edit, you can create widget, but you cannot edit the header other than home, except for canvas. This one, you pun cannot edit this one. Just home only. Home is this one, where you can drag your widget here, or you can add any layout you want. Okay, that's example of how of editing with WordPress. The most important thing is that I want to highlight the important features of WordPress. It is how we can add posts into the pages seamlessly. Okay, you go to here, post. It will bring you into the the interface. Here you can see CMP Microsoft Gen AI Data Science Hiring Hackathon, which is I did earlier, and then you can just add another one. It will show you guys the newest post that we posted. So that's all. Thank you. Before this end, you can access the website in internet with the link noaarazrcld.app. This is the legal stuff where you have to have a domain and a hosting, and then you just create the name and then the domain. That's for the scalability. Okay, and this is the example I did before. The post, as you can see, you can have the widget maps here, link in post, and like this. It's easy. It can be finished within 1 minute. That's all from me. Thank you.